Good morning friends. Today we are going to see the problem of Leetcode Daily problem, which is number 2294. Partition array says that maximum difference is k. We will go through the problem statement. It's a medium level problem. You are given an integer nums and an integer k. You may partition nums into one or more subsequences such that each element in nums appears in exactly one of the subsequences. Return the minimum number of subsequences needed such that difference between the maximum and minimum values and each subsequence is at most k. Okay, a subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Okay, I need to divide these nums into subsequences such, and one thing I need to do is, after dividing them, if I am allotting this 2 to subsequence 1, I should not allocate this 2 to in any other subsequence. Okay, a number can be going into only one of the subsequence. That is one point, and the maximum and minimum value in that particular subsequence should be less than or equal to the k. So basically this is a straightforward problem. One thing we can do is, we will sort the array and we will capture the, from the very first element we will capture what are all the elements which are less than or equal to k, and keep them in the and we will treat that as a subsequence. That I can do, right? You see, why am I saying it is, suppose after sorting the array I will be getting it as 3, 6, 1, 2, 5. After sorting the array I will be getting it as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So suppose for k is equals to 2, if I pick 1, 2 and 3 in one of the subsequence, I can say that in this main array I will pick 3, 1 and 2. Okay, that is valid. So even after sorting it, the validation doesn't change, right? So I can do it in that way. That will be the easiest way to do. Okay, let's sort the numbers first. I sorted it. I am initializing my answer with 0 and initializing my index from the starting, and my value and my size of the array is this thing. Now I'll be going through each element in the array. Now my starting element of that array subsequence will be nums of I. Now I can keep all the elements which are less than or equal to k in the nums of I, right? In that particular array, right? So, and nums of I minus starting element, if it is less than k, just increment the I, and just increment the I. As soon as you go till there, increment the I. So now I got one set of array, which is I'll be incrementing my answer. Okay, now I'll be returning the same answer. Yeah, we will try submitting it. What is the time complexity of this? What is the time complexity of this? Time complexity is, we are sorting the array, so which is taking order of n log n, and we are going through the array only once, so which is order of n log n plus order of n, which is order of n log n. What is the space complexity? Space complexity is, I am not storing any other I am not creating any vector, I am not storing value, I am storing only the answer, incrementing the answer, so it is order of 1. If you have any doubts in this question, please do let me know in the comments. Also, please subscribe. I will be providing you the card of channel at the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel so that it will be helpful for me. It will be moral boost and it will be helpful for me to create more such content. Also, if you want me to do any kind of question or any kind of content, please do let me know. Thank you.